Here we are, guys. We are finally here at Mercedes and we are picking up the CLA45s. I cannot wait. I can't wait to see it. It's in there. It's waiting for us. Oh, here we are, we've taken the cover off. The car looks absolutely insane. I hope it's coming through on the camera, but in person, this matte paint is incredible. I'm so glad I went for it. It was the perfect choice. It just looks so special. Oh, yeah, I'm speechless. And you've got the gloss black trim, which just stands out nicely and looks absolutely insane. Oh, just the front grille. How mean is it? Oh. I'm speechless, I don't know what to say. And obviously we've got the Amg wheels as well, and the canards. Come take a shot of the wheels, James. Look at those ginormous calipers. The black wheels against the matte grey just looks insane. Oh. I think we need to go inside. We haven't been inside yet, have we?
No,
let's get the keys. Let me show you the key, because the key itself is the key itself. We've got the black key with the AMG badge as the focus on it. And then it also comes with a special AMG keychain as well. But we're going in. You ready? Oh, that's not the driver's side. That's all right, keep going, keep rolling. Oh. Oh, it looks good. Oh, it smells lovely. Wow. Look at this. We've got the drive select dial here. Oh, I've never sat in the coupe version because we had the estate before. The screens, the vents, all the yellow stitching. Oh, it's just perfect. I am so happy. This was worth the wait. Oh yes, the wrap steering wheel as well. The Alcantara wrap. Oh, it feels lovely. Wow, I am just blown away times 1,000, shall we say? Even the door looks super cool with the yellow stitching. We've got the memory seats, the upgraded sound system. This car's basically got every single option. I just went all out on it. And oh, the AMG Performance Seats. Oh, can you see those as well, James? We've got the Mercedes reflectors again, because I love those. They might not show up on the camera. And then I'll just get out of the car now so you can show everyone the AMG Performance Seats, because they just look amazing. With the yellow stitching and the AMG badge, they are just unreal. I could not be happier. Wow, unreal. I cannot wait to drive it. It's going to be painful running it in because we've got to do the first 1,000 miles. We can't do race mode, we can't do Sport Plus. So we're going to be testing out the comfort of the car probably first, but I'm going to be doing a full 7-day vlog of the car. So I want you guys to be really a huge part of this because, you know, the YouTube channel means so much to me and you guys really helped me get this car. It inspired me to get it and make this purchase. So I'm going to be doing a 7-day vlog. I want you guys to be completely part of it. Every day we're going to be doing something different. I'm going to be talking about, oh, sorry, I'm losing my words because I'm so excited. I'm going to be talking about different things on different days. I'm going to take you through my experience. This is day 1. Consider this day 1 of the vlog. And then day 2, and then we'll do my first drive to work. We'll be doing all the setups. Might do a first wash because the roads are a bit wet at the moment. So it'll be interesting to see how the matte paint holds up. But oh my God, we've got so much content coming with this car. I cannot wait to make videos with it. You guys are in for a treat. Okay, we've got the keys again, and this is going to be the first startup of the CLA45s. Now, it's probably not going to sound amazing because we're going to do it with the valves closed and not in Sport Plus because we're going to be responsible. We're going to run this engine in, but here's the first start. Can't even find the button. There it is. Oh, there we go. The lights look amazing. Now the lights are on. Take a look at the car with the lights on. If you come around to the front as well. Oh, the ambient lighting in the interior, but check out the front first. Oh wow, look at those. That looks crazy. I love the shape of them. James, if you come here now and check out the ambient light, I've not set it up yet, but take a look at that, guys. We're going to do a proper video on the ambient lighting, but wow. That just looks amazing. Now, before we take the CLA45s out for its first ever drive, I just want to give a big shout out to my friends at Theftblock.com. With a brand new car like this, it's so important to protect yourself and your car from modern thieves. That's why I'm going to be keeping my keys in this lovely designed Theftblock box right here. It's really nice. It's got a nice suede feel to it, almost like the Alcantara wrap steering wheel on the AMG. And there's some nice logo embossing on the top and also on the front too. It's a really, really nice box. So all you need to do is open it up, and you've got space for multiple keys, and I'll explain to you now why this is important. So there's a really scary modern method that thieves are using to steal cars with keyless entry and keyless start. They just stand outside your house with a computer, and it reads the signal of your key, sends it to their computer, they just open the car up, and they're off. They drive away in under 5 minutes. Sometimes it only takes seconds. Now these boxes right here are great because inside is a protective layer. So when the box is closed, it blocks your key signal. So if someone's outside trying to clone your key, the box is going to completely block it, and they're just going to be outside there for as long as they want, just looking really silly and suspicious. So I don't want to just talk about the box, guys. I just want to kind of show you how it works, because I'm really happy to have this box, because as you can probably imagine, I've just picked up this brand new CLA45s, so I am going to do everything I can to protect it. So if we take the lovely AMG key right here and pop it straight into the box, pop it in there, as you can see at the bottom, close it completely. I'll pop the box down. Now let's see if we can start the car up. So foot on the brake, no start. It actually says place key in the marked space, see owner's manual. So the car now thinks the key is not in here. So that means the key signal is completely blocked. So guys, if you've got keyless entry or keyless start in your car, make sure to check out Theftblock.com. You can buy these boxes. I'll give you a discount code, which they've really kindly given to me. It's ABAUTO10. Pop that in and it's going to give you a brilliant 10% discount. Also guys, if you're not quite ready to make a purchase for the box, or the box isn't right for you and you still want to protect your keys, they also sell these really nice high quality pouches as well. Works the same, you just open it up and it's got the same material on the inside as the box. So you just pop your key in here, close it up, and you're protected in the exact same way. Right, now the moment you've been waiting for, guys. Let's take the CLA45s for its first ever drive. Right, the engine is running, we're sitting in the car. I can't believe it, it's so good. I love this steering wheel. Calm yourself, Adam. There's so much to go through and so much to share. I'm just so excited, but let's drive. We're gonna leave the dealership now. Oh, just pulling away on the clutch. It's still snappy even in comfort mode. Oh, we need to put the windscreen wipers on. There we go, auto. Oh, sorry James, it's just so powerful. Right, now we've got to tackle the speed bumps. Oh man, this feels so good. I love this steering wheel. We're going to have so much fun in this car once we've ran the engine in.
Oh, they are nasty speed bumps.
Yeah, they are nasty speed bumps. We've got one more. Yeah, once we've ran the engine in, we're going to have so much fun and make some amazing videos.
How many miles?
Oh, there's 12 miles on the clock because they would have had to have put some petrol in it. So 12 miles, pretty new Can you smell that new smell?
Yes. How many miles before you...
Oh, how many miles before it's running? 1,000 miles.
Okay.
The running period is 1,000 miles, so just get all the engine stuff bedded in. I'm going to do a separate video about the running process and sort of give tips on how to run the car in and explain all about it. I mean, this is the hand-built AMG engine after all, so it's very important to run it in. But you can just feel that this car just wants to go. It's a bit of an animal. The only downside is it's raining, because me and James were originally going to go take the car out for like a glamour photo shoot, but we've got so much time and you know, there's going to be so much content on this car. I mean, what do you think of the car, James?
Oh, I think it's absolutely amazing.
What do you think of the paint? Because so a lot of people want to get the matte paint, but they're a bit scared. Is it how does it, like, now you've seen it in person, like it's so worth it.
It's nicer in person. It's one of those things you have to kind of experience.
Yeah.
As first person, I don't think it shows up on the,
I think it'll look
videos as well. I think it really shows up in person. It's got such a nice satin kind of matte look to it, which
and the
makes
gloss
it so
black.
Unique.
The gloss black trim as well just sits so well with it.
It's the contrast between the matte and it's just very unusual, which makes this car so much more unique.
Yeah, and we are shooting on a Canon R5 and an A7S III, so I think it's going to look amazing on film. I mean, James took some incredible photographs, so we're going to put that on the ABAUTO Instagram. I really want the ABAUTO Instagram to take off now that I've got this car, because it's such a pretty car that I think so many cool photos. But yeah, unfortunately we've got to run the engine in, so we can't just floor it and get some pops and bangs. But I promise you guys, once we get to 1,000 miles, I'm going to invite James round and we're going to do race start, launch control. I didn't actually get to do launch control in the car that I borrowed. So yeah, I'm ready for launch control.
Quite quiet as well when you're in comfort mode. So.
Yeah, so yeah, it's quiet and comfortable in comfort mode, and you know, obviously this is not the massive V8, so it doesn't sound crazy. But I don't know if you remember, James, when we had the yellow one.
Yes.
We had it in race mode, and it sounded really good in the cabin, even though some of it is piped in. But they call it AMG real sound. But you told me, you said this reminds me of when I was in the McLaren, because you went in your dad's friend's McLaren, didn't you?
Yes.
Obviously it doesn't sound like a McLaren, but I think you meant just the feeling and the speed, and because this car is absolutely rapid. It is the world's fastest 4-cylinder production engine, which is ridiculous. And yeah, oh look, that's the auto stop start. So
oh wow, it's even quieter.
When you're in comfort mode, it turns the engine off, so you save a bit of petrol, which is good because petrol's expensive at the moment.
So what's it like driving probably one of the newest cars in the UK right now?
Oh. It's a little bit scary, but I'm just thinking now I'm going to leave a nice gap on this roundabout. But I think it just feels so nice to have it, and it's still sinking in, to be honest. Right, we've got quite a lot of traffic but yeah, it's still sinking in. I'm still a bit shaky just from the excitement. Like, I've worked so hard for so many years to be able to afford this car, and it just feels so nice to finally be here. So guys, this is the first little drive. We're going to be doing some amazing driving videos, so I hope you guys enjoyed this pickup video. Me and James filmed loads of stuff. I can't wait to edit it. I think it's going to be incredible. It was an amazing experience. Massive shout out and thank you to James for filming this at Photo Fever. Check out his YouTube channel, I'll pop it on the screen, and a huge thank you to Mercedes Benz of Milton Keynes for sorting this car out for me and, you know, letting us do the amazing video. I'm so happy and so excited. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, guys, hit that like button, and like I said, we've got some amazing content coming with this car, so if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. You do not want to miss it. I'm so excited. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you soon.